Does your phone keep getting locked quickly? Want to change the auto lock time screen timeout on your iPhone 8 Plus? Hey there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the auto lock time screen timeout on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, open Settings, scroll down, tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down, now tap Auto Lock. Now choose the Auto Lock time screen option from here. If you choose 30 seconds, it will be too early. Or if you choose Never, then it will be awful for your iPhone security and battery. I recommend you to set it to 2 minutes. And that's it. So guys, this is how you can change the auto lock time screen timeout on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.